What's up, you guys? It's day 22 of the 30-day green smoothie challenge. I have a confession to make. I was not able to find fresh apricots. I went to every store that I could find, every store in Tacoma, Washington, and they just simply didn't have apricots. So you know what? We're improvising. But it's okay because these things happen, and it's also kind of a lesson to all of us, myself included. So these are dried apricots that I've soaked in some water, and we're gonna use them just like dates in this smoothie. And now you know, and I know, that you can use dried apricots as well as fresh apricots when making this recipe. I'm gonna throw in 5 or 6 apricots. Now you wanna make sure they don't have pits in them. Maybe 7 or 8. Blackberries, fresh. The Northwest is really good for blackberries. Blackberries, raspberries, that kind of thing. So half a pear, and then we have some red grapes that we're gonna de-stem. And in they go. And water. Let's see what we made. What do you know? I like it. This recipe is definitely staying in the video.